Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to this webinar. We'll just wait for a couple of minutes before we start. I think there are people who are still joining. In the next couple of minutes, we'll start. Thank you so much. I hope you all are able to see me and hear my voice properly. If yes, please do just comment yes so that I'm aware. Also, before starting, it would be great if you can just mention the number of years you guys are investing from. For example, if you are investing from 1 year, you can just comment one. If you are investing from 10 years, you can comment 10. Or if you're just a beginner, if you have started this year only, you can just comment zero. Okay. I have got few comments in the chat. Great. I think a majority of you who have commented. Acha, we'll keep this session in English on some portions in Hindi. So nobody will have a problem viewing. Great. So I think we can start now. Hi everyone. I'm Tushar Khetan from Smallcase. I take care of the business part. I'm associated with Smallcase since 2018. Along with the business, I also take care of the investor education and partner training part at Smallcase. I would like to welcome you all to this special webinar on simplifying equity investing with curated portfolios. So, simplifying equity investing. Since you all are here, majority of you would be SBI Securities clients already. Some of you who might not have a demat account or who would be new, जो लोग मार्केट में नए होंगे या जिनका डीमैट अकाउंट नहीं है, आप क्या कर सकते हैं एग्जैक्टली या जिनका डीमैट अकाउंट एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज के साथ है, we have another product for you which you can actually take a look. Let's say if you are in the market from, let's say, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, you would have seen a particular trend. People who started investing after COVID, let's say COVID happened in March 2020, the market fell down. After that, people who started investing haven't actually seen a fall. कि उनको पता ही नहीं है कि मार्केट इतना ज्यादा क्रैश हो सकता है. हालांकि उन्होंने पिछले 2-3 महीने में ये चीज देखी होगी कि हाँ, मार्केट कैन फॉल डाउन. But yes, people who are there in the market since long, maybe 5 years, 10 years, 15, 20 years, they have seen different cycles. Let's say 2002, 2008, 2020, which is the COVID year. So they have seen different market cycles. They know that the market can go up and down. But for people who have started investing after 2020, they would have seen a market fall, let's say, in the last 2-3 months only. So yes, the market is a bit risky. And just for your update, whatever things we would be discussing here, please note these are not any recommendations. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. And whatever we discuss over here is just for illustration purposes only and does not provide any kind of assurance of any returns or anything. So the main discussion for today is portfolio based investing. What are small cases? Small cases, in simple terms, are curated portfolios of stocks or ETFs, which are way to track a theme, strategy, or objective. A strategy can be something like, let's say, electric vehicles. Do you feel electric vehicles are a future in India? If yes, please, if you can just comment in the chat section. क्या आपको लगता है कि इलेक्ट्रिक गाड़ियों का फ्यूचर है इंडिया में? आप कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं, यस, नो. आई गॉट वन यस. और कोई? यस, यस. So electric vehicles was an idea. We used to ask this question 4 years, 5 years back also. People said yes that time also. Why? Because they know कि petrol या diesel vehicles चलेगी, but electric vehicles is the future in India. Why? Because pollution होता है. So that is an idea. If electric vehicles is the future, the companies around it, let's say auto manufacturers, auto ancillaries, battery companies, they are expected to do well. So why not invest in these kind of a companies where these companies which will benefit from electric vehicles. जब इलेक्ट्रिक गाड़ियां लोग खरीदेंगे और डेफिनेटली ये कंपनीज को भी फायदा होगा, तो उनके शेयर प्राइस पे भी फर्क पड़ सकता है. तो दिस इज बेस्ड ऑन एन आइडिया. ये कौन से आइडिया है? देर आर वेरियस आइडियाज अवेलेबल ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म. So these small cases are flexible, transparent, and simple to understand. जैसे I told you about this idea electric vehicle. This is very simple to you कि हाँ, if you believe this is the future, you can invest. And the main advantage is this offers diversification. So there are various stocks. Let's say stock A, stock B, stock C, stock D, stock E. You get to invest in various sectors, various stocks at one point of time. And yes, these are not randomly created. These are created by SEBI registered professionals, either research analysts or registered investment advisors. So, in simple terms, small cases are a basket of stocks which track an idea, theme, or a strategy. Now, let's say how to tap into India's growth story. You would be seeing a lot of things. For example, make in India hai, yeah, India to be the fastest growing economy. The government is also promoting a lot of things. We recently had a budget where a lot of money has been given to different sectors ताकि वो sectors grow कर सके. तो yes, if you believe कि हाँ India will grow, how will India grow? Because of the companies that will grow. वो कंपनी अच्छा करेगी तो इंडिया की इकोनॉमी में ग्रोथ आएगा. तो सेम वे यहाँ पे वी हैव वेरियस स्मॉल केसेस विच आर देयर ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म जहां पे आप इंडिया की ग्रोथ स्टोरी में इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं अलग अलग आइडिया के बेसिस पे. लेट्स बेस्ड ऑन रूरल डिमांड, बेस्ड ऑन थीम्स, बेस्ड ऑन स्ट्रेटजीज. What are the benefits or comparison if you compare to single stocks? If you have a demat account with SBI Securities or any other broker partner, what you do is you go on the platform, you buy or buy a certain share or ETF, and it is there in your demat. Same way it is there in small cases. Small case is nothing but a basket of stocks. It is just the platform which you are using. At the end, all the shares are credited to your demat account. Let's say if there are share A, share B, share C, you are buying it together. But where is it stored? It is stored in your demat account only. Cost efficiency, no management fees. Yes, there are various small cases where no management fees is taken. The platform charges or the brokerage charges that are applicable, but there is no management fees for most of the small cases, just like single stocks. Transparency, you can see your holdings every day. Since it is there in your demat account, you know which stocks you are investing in at what price. Complete control. At the end, which stocks you want to buy, which stocks you want to sell is completely in your control. आपको ये चीज पता है कि मैं ये स्टॉक में इन्वेस्ट कर रहा हूं या मैं ये ईटीएफ में इन्वेस्ट कर रहा हूं. नो लॉक ins. Small cases are a basket of stocks. So if you can just sell certain stocks, you will get the funds immediately. There is no lock-in key you have to hold for at least 1 day, 1 month, 1 year, 5 years, etc. These are just shares. You are investing through a basket. So there are no lock-ins. If you buy today, you can even sell tomorrow. Though it is recommended you invest for a longer term. आप ज़्यादा long term के लिए invest करें. But if you want, you can sell it even after 1 day. The benefits which small cases provide is one, these are diversified. It reduces company specific risk. Like if you would have tracked the market in the last 2 to 3 months, market thoda bahut gira hai. In fact, for people who have been investing since the last 2 to 3 years, for them the market has fallen down a lot. कि अभी निफ्टी इतने पे था, अभी इतना आ गया है. So yes, it is always important to invest in a diversified basket. Maybe you might use some other products. That is absolutely fine. But it is important that you have diversification. कि आपका सारा पैसा एक जगह ना जाए. मे बी आप इक्विटी में डाल सकते हैं, आप एफडीज में डाल सकते हैं, आप गोल्ड में डाल सकते हैं. इक्विटीज में भी पूरा पैसा एक जगह नहीं होना चाहिए. हेंस small cases, it helps you reduce company specific risk since there are various companies from various sectors. Yes, there can be situations where the market is falling, companies are not performing, but your advantage is हर कंपनी एक टाइम पे एक जैसा परफॉर्म नहीं करती. कि अगर एक कंपनी आपने फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू हैव इन्वेस्टेड 1 लाख रुपीज इन वन पर्टिकुलर शेयर, वो शेयर 20% गिर गया, तो आपका तो 20% का वहां पे लॉस हो रहा है. इफ यू इन्वेस्ट इन अ डाइवर्सिफाइड पोर्टफोलियो, ये जरूरी नहीं है कि उस पोर्टफोलियो में अगर 5 या 10 शेयर है, 5 या 10 शेयर 20% गिर जाए. हो सकता है कोई शेयर 2% गिरे, हो सकता है कोई शेयर 20% गिरे, हो सकता है कोई 10% गिरे, हो सकता है कोई बढ़ भी जाए. तो आपका जो एवरेज रहता है वो कम रहता है. तो यहाँ पे आपका कंपेरेटिवली रिस्क कम हो जाता है एज कंपेयर टू सिंगल स्टॉक्स. इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड आइडियाज, जैसा मैंने आपको बताया इलेक्ट्रिक गाड़ियां, दैट इज एन आइडिया, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट इजीली. एंड लास्ट, दीज आर क्रिएटेड बाय सेबी रजिस्टर्ड प्रोफेशनल्स, so you have a research backed basket. But I repeat again, there is no guarantee of any returns. You can see the performance, you can track it, but yes, the final decision is yours. They try to choose the best particular stocks based on their experience, their judgment, ki for a particular idea which stock can be the best suited. If you have any questions, please do post it, keep posting it in the chat section. Now, these were some of the things as compared to single stocks, but what features are available that you need to build your portfolio? You can track your CAGR, you can track your daily chain, any news, minimum investment amount ratios on the platform directly. I'll show you the platform. You can manage your basket. Let's say there is a basket which has 10 stocks. If you want कि मुझे एक स्टॉक नहीं चाहिए या मुझे एक स्टॉक पर्टिकुलरली चाहिए, आप अपने हिसाब से चेंज कर सकते हैं. यू हैव द ऑप्शन ऑफ चेंजिंग इट. SIP, you can set up SIPs and that will be debited from your ledger after your consent. You can start your SIPs, let's say from 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000 based on your requirement. Rebalance is one of the most important features about these baskets. What happens is whenever a manager is creating a basket, let's say there are 10 stocks. After few days, few weeks, few months, it is not necessary that the stock is performing the same way. Yeah, the stock is matching the idea or the strategy. What the manager does is they rebalance the basket. What do you mean by rebalance? Ki out of 10 stocks, they see ki okay, which stocks should be there in this basket or which stock should not be there in this basket. Accordingly, they churn it. Once they churn this, you get an update to you ki the manager has churned these baskets. All you need to do is just click on it, click confirm, and your rebalance is done. Whatever shares need to be sold are sold, and whatever needs to be bought are bought. And yes, this does not happen automatically. You will see ki these shares are being sold, these are being bought. You need to press confirm. Unless you give your consent, nothing will happen. By giving your consent, basically you are just providing the orders to go to the exchange. Invest more, you can top up in any of your given small cases. Let's say you invested 50,000 rupees and you want to invest another 2 lakh rupees, you can do it. And last, you can create your own baskets. What is creating your own basket is, let's say you have certain stocks in mind. If you want to transact, you will have to go and buy it one by one. What you can do in small cases, just choose the stocks, add it as a basket, and you can invest. Please keep posting your questions. I'll take all of it at the end. Like I was telling you about creating your basket. What you can do is you can give it a name, you can add your favorite stocks. Rather than buying it one by one, you can add it as a basket. The advantage is, let's say after 15 days, after a month, after 2 months, if you want to top up or you want to exit as a basket, you can do it in just a couple of clicks. So there is a small case for everyone. It is not like ki, I am a expert in the market or I am a new person in the market, so small case is only for me, or I can only invest in basket. There is a small case for everyone. We have low volatility where let's say you get kind of stable returns at low volatility levels. Now, stable return does not mean ki you get a fixed return every year, but yes, the volatility is low. The chances of getting good returns become high. Thematic, like I told you, electric vehicle is a theme. So portfolios based on disruptive ideas and long-term trends. Asset allocation, we have various baskets available that offer different asset classes. Let's say equity is one, gold is one, debt is one. We have combination of different asset classes through ETFs. ETFs are basically exchange traded funds. So they track a particular index. For example, we have gold ETF that track the prices of gold. So you can have asset allocation with small cases. You can check it on the SBI Securities app. And yes, if you have the SBI Securities app, I would request you to just go on the app, log in, and have a look. And last is strategy based. There are various baskets which are available on the platform, which are strategy. Let's say strategies can be something like value investing, momentum investing, l- uh, large cap stocks, mid cap stocks, accordingly. So this is a hassle-free investing experience. All you need to do is just log in on your SBI Securities app. You don't have to create an account or do anything. All you need to do is go to your SBI Securities app, go to the invest section where I'll show you what exactly needs to be done. The money is debited from your trading account whenever you want to transact, just like stocks. The stocks are credited to your demat account and the dividends are paid to your bank account. In simple terms, you are just buying shares or ETFs, but in a systematic way and in a basket which is created by a SEBI registered manager. So, yes, small cases on SBI Securities app. Once you're there on the invest section, just click small cases, accept the TNC, and click on redirect now. And yes, you won't go anywhere out of the platform. You are still inside the SBI Securities platform. Now, how to place an order, how to find small cases, I'll just show it to you. So This is, let's say, my account. I went to the SBI Securities app. I logged in using my thumbprint. Now I'll go to the invest section on the bottom right. On top, if you can see, there are small cases. I just click on it. I'm inside the SBI Securities app only. Here I can see various small cases which are available. I can go on top and search anything. Let's say I search for time. I get an option timeless asset allocation. I can go down. There are various collections which you can see. You can see managers who have created. You can see all small cases. Now, these are the different small cases. You can see the volatility, minimum investment amount, etc. There are various filters on the platform which you can use to choose your small case and to have a look. You can see the overview. You can see how many stocks or ETFs. You can see the rebalance frequency, the last rebalance date, next rebalance date, what are the stocks or ETFs in it. And to invest, all you need to do is click on invest now. You can either choose one time plus SIP or one time based on your investment horizon. Yes, SIP is recommended, but it is completely up to you. All you need to do is confirm details, click on confirm amount. You can edit the amount accordingly based on your choice. And finally, confirm the details. All you need to do is you should have sufficient funds in your trading. If you have a 3-in-1 account, you should have sufficient funds in your bank account. And that is it. It's that simple to invest. So I hope this was helpful. And yes, you can experience simple, quick, and delightful investing. And yes, as of now, you can do this in the market hours. You can start investing from 9:15 to 3:30 p.m. We are also in the phase of enabling aftermarket orders very soon. But as of now, you can only invest in the market hours. Couple of things to note. We also have two small cases which are created by the SBI Securities research team. Once you go on the platform, you can have a look. What are the different small cases which are created by SBI Securities research team? And secondly, I would just like to confirm about the charges for small cases. Whenever you invest for buying and investing more, you are charged a flat fees of rupees 100 plus GST. Let's say you invest 5,000, you invest 50,000, or you invest 5 lakh rupees. You will be for investing in any small case, you will be charged a flat fees of rupees 100 plus GST for investing or any top ups which you do in future. And if you do any future SIPs, for any future SIPs, you will be just charged rupees 10 plus GST. This is apart from any brokerage if you are being charged or any statutory charges. You can reach out to the support team who will help you regarding any charges or any difficulty which you are facing. And yes, I repeat it again, whatever we are discussing today is just for informative purpose. Please do your own research or please do have a look and make sure you are aware before you start investing. Yes, so this was basically about uh, small cases. I'll take a few questions which are there in the chat section. If you have a few questions, please feel free to post it. I'll just take some questions. Uh, What is the difference between small case and mutual fund? Both are different products. Small case mutual fund is a product which people are investing in since long. Small case is a platform which helps you invest in diversified baskets, either through stocks or ETFs. In small case, you directly get all the shares in your demat account. You are investing with a SEBI registered manager. I hope this was helpful. Please tell me which stocks are good. Uh, Pankaj, I won't be able to advise or recommend anything. Please reach out to your advisor or relationship manager who can help you identify certain things. But yes, for small cases, you can just check out which idea you feel can work in future. All the idea, all the strategies are made for long term, but with the idea which you feel is good, you can have a look at that. So what is the procedure for rebalance? When exactly we have to do? So Bhanu, what happens is in rebalancing is, for example, I am a manager. I change certain stocks today. So tomorrow morning you will get an update. This particular small case has been rebalanced by the manager. All you need to do is you need to click on it. You will be logged into your SBI Securities platform. Once you are logged in, there will be a screen which will show you stock A, stock B, stock C needs to be bought, stock E, D, F needs to be sold. All you need to do is press confirm if you are aligned. Once you press confirm, all the sell orders are transacted and then the buy orders are placed. Once this is done, your small case is rebalanced. If you miss a rebalance for some reason, let's say you don't want to do it, yeah, do not you miss the email for some reason, then you can come back whenever you see the email or whenever you want to do it. If you don't do it, whenever the next rebalance happens, your basket will remain in the same composition which you had invested in. So yes, you have to ensure ki you do your rebalance timely. But yes, if you miss it, your basket or your portfolio will remain in the same condition. And whenever the next rebalance comes, you can do it then. How to do it from the internet? Shikhar, all you need to do is first you have to log in the SBI Securities app, either on Android or Apple. On website, this will be live soon, but this is available on the SBI Securities app. You can just go and check it out. What is the rebalance strategy used? So rebalance is basically to ensure that your basket is aligned with the current market and the idea. For example, if I have invested in something 6 months back, I have to ensure कि I am looking at it. मैं उसको छोड़ नहीं सकता हूँ. मुझे वो देखना पड़ेगा कि हाँ, जो मैंने इन्वेस्ट किया था वो सही है क्या. जिस पर्पज से मैंने इन्वेस्ट किया था वो अभी भी पर्पज फुलफिल हो रहा है क्या. So that needs to be checked. And the manager does exactly the same. Some small cases are rebalanced every month, some small cases are rebalanced every quarter. What about the tax? So, since you are investing in equities, your tax will be the same. If you have bought a stock which you are selling in 1 year, normal short term capital gain will be applicable. If you are selling something after a year, long term capital gain will be applicable after the specified threshold कि 1.25 लाख के ऊपर अगर आप उसके नीचे रहे तो कोई टैक्स नहीं लगेगा, उसके ऊपर रहे. So this is just like shares. You can get your tax report from the platform. In case you are not able to do it, please reach out to the support team. They'll help you regarding that. Explain different type of stock categories. So Pankaj, there are various sectors you can choose from. Uh, in small cases, we have sector trackers also. We have strategies also. So it is not like you are investing in one stock. You are investing in a strategy. You are investing in an idea. So there you can use our various filters to choose. Let's say someone has a filter ki nahi, I want to invest 10,000 only. So you can choose the baskets which are under 10,000. Or let's say you want to go with large cap stocks only or mid cap stocks. So accordingly, you can use various filters on the platform. Mobile app broker charges will be nine. The your normal brokerage charges which are applicable to you currently, that will be done. It You won't be charged more, or you won't be charged more brokerage. I have already communicated about the charges. There is no additional brokerage, just a normal platform fees, a flat platform fees, whether you invest 50,000, whether you invest 5 lakh rupees. And yes, if you are facing any difficulties, if you have a relationship manager, or if you if you speak to someone at SBI Securities, do reach out to them and they can help you understand this in detail. Any other questions? Any other doubts? Please feel free. I'll repeat it again. All you need to do is just go to the SBI Securities platform, go to the invest section, and there you will be seeing small cases where you can just have a look, and accordingly, based on your horizon, you can start investing. And yes, I repeat it again, anything what we discussed today is not a recommendation or not any advice. And yes, thank you so much everyone for joining this webinar. I hope you got some information about, let's say, investing, about small cases, about basket based investing. We will be coming up with various webinars on this and other topics very soon. Thank you so much for joining. Have a nice day.